Today, let's start with chapter number 10, Intelligence and AI Approaches. So, in this chapter, we will study about AI, artificial intelligence. So, we all know by now that AI terms thinks and behave like humans. So, we can say AI in simple term is a computer program which can learn and perform tasks, which require what higher level of intelligence, like learning from past experience. हम planning कर रहे हैं, problem solving कर रहे हैं. Right? What is AI? It is a branch of computer science जो किस पे focus करता है? Developing machine which can think and work like human being. They are created to be smart and they would be able to stimulate the human thinking. Since ancient time, humans are fascinated to make machine as smart as themselves, which leads to development of one of the most groundbreaking technology. Right? So difference क्या है? Human intelligence, human ये क्या होता है? Naturally intelligent होता है. इनको create करा जाता है human. Their level of human keeps varying with age. जो intelligence level है, जैसा आप grow करोगे, never having peak or any descent. Humans behave according to the experience they perform according to how they are programmed. इनको हमने किस तरीके से प्रोग्राम करा, right? Humans are independent and need no support. They need support. इनको support भी चाहिए, right? And they need the guidance and their creativity is very limited, work limited. Humans can adapt to their changes easily. AI are more time to respond unusual or different situations. Human brain is analogous, machine's brain is digital, right? Human learn from past experience and machine learn from information provided to them according to the regular trade. Human brain normally uses 20 watts of energy और ये 65 to 250 watts of energy को consume. Data processing speed is lower. Machines can be processed huge volumes of data quickly. Humans can make mistakes as per their capabilities, लेकिन मशीन यहाँ पे lack of emotion होता है. अगर आप इनको गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन दोगे तो ही ये मिस्टेक करेंगे, वरना ये मिस्टेक नहीं कर. Now, AI defined by different organization. There are different organization or different influential organization that has been studying the impact of AI, the future of human being and economical market. So we can say artificial intelligence is a key driver of fourth industrial revolution. ये आपका effects can be seen in homes, business and even public spaces, right? So Niti Aayog, National Strategy for AI. So National Institute for Transforming AI is known as नीति आयोग. ये पब्लिक पॉलिसी थिंक टैंक है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का. ये क्या करता है? इट्स रेफर्स टू द एबिलिटी ऑफ मशीन्स टू परफॉर्म कॉग्निटिव टास्क. ठीक है, आप थिंकिंग कर रहे हो, लर्निंग कर रहे हो एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, डिसीजन मेकिंग कर रहे हो, राइट? सो वी कैन से विद इनक्रेडिबल advances made in data collection, processing and computation power, intelligent system can now be deployed to take over a variety of tasks. Now, European artificial intelligence leadership और उसका path for the integrated vision. AI is not very defined technology or not universally agreed definition exists. It is rather a cover term for technique which is associated with data analysis and pattern recognition. So, AI is not a new technology having existed since 1990. While some market sectors, they are individual business and are more advanced than other. It is still a relatively early stage of development, therefore the range of potential application and the quality of most exciting application have ample margin left. Now, Encyclopedia Britannica. So, artificial intelligence is the ability to digital computer controlled robot जो different tasks को perform करते हैं commonly, which is associated with the intelligence B, right? Such as it has ability to reason, discover meaning and journalize and learn from past experience. आप अपने past experience से भी सीख सकते हैं. Types of AI, it is an integral part of our daily life. Therefore, it's important to us understand what AI can actually do. कि AI क्या कर सकता है. So, AI it is a broad term which include machine learning, big data or natural language processing. These subsets can also be classified by the level of intent. It is classified into 3 categories based upon the functionality like weak AI, strong AI and super AI. What is AI? It known as narrow AI. Most common type of AI that can be seen used all around. What are its characteristics? You can see here. It performs dedicated tasks. It has limited scope of functionality, right? Like Siri, Google, voice assistant, IBM, Watson, chatbot. These all are the weak AI. Strong AI, Journal AI है with following characteristics. Like these machines have human-like intelligence, right? These machines have problem solving and learning capabilities, and these machines are hypothetical and yet to be defined. What is super AI? ये आपकी hypothetical stage है, right? So these system would be completely autonomous and won't require any kind of human interaction. ये smarter है than an average and human beings and would also understand human emotion. यहाँ पे आप human emotions को भी समझ सकते. Intelligent agent in AI. So an intelligent agent is a program that can make decision or perform service based on environment, user input and experience. Typically, an agent program using parameter user has provided such as a part of intent, and you can gather information the user is interested and you can present to them on a periodic or requested basis. Now, agents that use artificial intelligence and machine learning, they use sensor जैसे माइक्रोफोन, कैमरा, जिससे ये क्या कर सकता है, कलेक्ट कर सकता है यूजर का ठीक है. ये फैक्टर्स भी होते हैं सच एज फिंगर व्हील और ये इन्वायरमेंट को भी इफेक्ट करते हैं. Such as speaker and screen, they deliver agent output and they practice having information brought to user by the agent, जिसे हम push notification technology कहते हैं. Now, type of intelligent agent. Types of intelligent agents can be defined by their range of agent functions. We have simple reflex agent. These agents, they are in the current state, ignoring past history. Responses are based on the event condition action rule, where user initiate an event and the agent refers to the list of preset views. Model-based reflex agent, these agents take action in the same way as reflex agent, but they have more comprehensive need. Now, goal-based agent, they are referred to as rational agents, expand the information on model-based store. Next is utility-based, मतलब उसमें जो goal-based agent होता है, but they provide external utility measurement that rates each possible scenario, right? Now we have learning agents that has ability to gradually improve and become more knowledgeable about the environment, right? Structure of an agent. To understand the structure of intelligent agent, we should be familiar with the architecture and agent program. What is architecture? It is a machinery that agent executes on and it is a device with sensor and actuation. A robotic car, a camera and a PC. An agent program is the implementation of an agent function, is a map for a percept sequence, right? Agent is equals to architecture plus agent plus program. Intelligent personal assistant, these are the agents that are designed to help user with various tasks. जैसे आपकी scheduling हो गई, sending message and setting reminders. These are the examples of intelligent personal assistant. Autonomous robot, agents that are designed to operate autonomously with the physical. ये perform करता है tasks जैसे cleaning, sorting and delivering goods. Gaming agents, जैसे आपको game play करना है, either against human opponents or other agents, right? Now fraud detection, अगर कोई fraud हुआ है, कोई fraudulent activity है, they can analyze patterns or behavior to identify suspicious activity और ये आपको alert भी provide कर. Traffic management, which is to manage traffic in the cities, right? Like to adjust traffic, right? You are reroute vehicle to minimize congestion. Different things you can see. Software agent, मतलब keystroke, file content, receive network packages, display on the screen files and send network packets, acting as an actuator. A human agent has eyes, ear, on organ which act as a sensor, hand, legs, mouth and other body parts that act as a एक्यूएटर. रोबोटिक एजेंट एक कैमरा है, एक इन्फर्ड रेंज है, फाइंडर्स है विच एक्ट एज अ सेंटर और ये डिफरेंट वेरियस मोटर एज अ एक्ट करते हैं एक्यूएट. व्हाट आर द यूजर्स ऑफ एजेंट्स? फर्स्ट इज रोबोटिक्स, जो कंट्रोल करता है रोबोट्स को और ऑटोमेट करता है टास्क इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. स्मार्टफोन्स एंड बिल्डिंग्स, जो आपके हीटिंग, लाइटनिंग और अदर सिस्टम को जैसे स्मार्ट होम्स, इनकी एनर्जी को ऑप्टिमाइज कर. Transportation system, which is used to manage traffic flow, optimize routes and vehicles. Healthcare, जैसे आपको किसी पेशेंट को मॉनिटर करना, पर्सनलाइज ट्रीटमेंट प्लान बनाना है, हेल्थ केयर रिसोर्सेज को का लोकेशन करना. नाउ फाइनेंस, which is used for automated trading, fraud detection management in the financial industry. Now games, agents can be used to create intelligent opponents in games. Stimulation, providing a more challenging and realistic experience for the players. Next, we have natural language processing, that is, agent can be used for language translation, right? Question answering and chatbots that can communicate with user in natural language. Then we have cyber security, which is used for intrusion, detection, and malware analysis. Environmental monitoring, agents can be used to monitor and manage natural resources. आप क्लाइमेट को ट्रैक कर सकते हो कि क्लाइमेट चेंज कैसे हो रहा है. आप इन्वायरमेंट सस्टेनेबिलिटी को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. सोशल मीडिया एजेंट कैन बी यूज टू एनालाइज सोशल मीडिया डाटा, ठीक है, आइडेंटिफाई ट्रेंड्स एंड पैटर्न्स और एक पर्सनलाइज रिकमेंडेशन भी दे सकते हैं यूजर्स को. Now, different approaches of AI. We have four main approaches. First is thinking humanly, मतलब cognitive approach to artificial intelligence, machine learning, inspired by the way human think and plan. ठीक है, cognitive approach का क्या मतलब है? Develop AI system that can mimic human. जैसे perception हो गया, reasoning हो गया, problem solving हो गया. Right? We have acting humanly, मतलब Turing test approach, which is known as Turing test approach, which is मशीन लर्निंग, जो किस पे फोकस करती है? क्रिएटिंग मशीन्स दैट कैन स्टिमुलेट ह्यूमन लाइक बिहेवियर, राइट? द टर्निंग टेस्ट अप्रोच किस पे बेस्ड होता है? आइडिया दैट अ मशीन कैन बी कंसिडर्ड इफ इट कैन convincingly pass to tests that proposed by British mathematicians, right? Thinking rationality, laws of thought means that approach to artificial intelligence and machine learning which is based on the principle of formal logic and reasoning. In the laws of thought approach, AI system is designed to reason deductively and start with a set of premises and using logical rules to conclude. Now we have acting rationality, मतलब rational agent approach. In this rational agent approach to artificial intelligence and machine learning, जो किस पे focus करता है? On creating intelligent agents that act in the world to achieve their goals. And the rational agents approach is based on idea of rationality, which involves making decisions that maximize the chances of achieving one's goals available in the information and resource. Right? The rational agent approach emphasizes the importance of designing agents that can reason under uncertainty and adapt to the changing environment. Right? रेशनल एजेंट अप्रोच इज रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग, जिसमें आपका ट्रेनिंग होती है एज एन एजेंट. आप डिसीजन लेते हो विच इज बेस्ड अपॉन in the rewards and punishment, and the agents learn to maximize the rewards by trying different actions, right? वो क्या करता है? different action perform करके agents की बात को समझ पा, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. Thank you.